Picture yourself in the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.